Hello again, everybody out there, and welcome back to It's Your Turn to Cook, Oklahoma. Today, I've got my friends, well, my daughter, Rin, and our friend Bella, and we're gonna show you all the really fun, cool things you can do with avocado. So, avocado, it's a great, healthy ingredient. It's got tons of good, healthy fats. I actually eat one every morning in my smoothie. And so I'm gonna show you some fun ways to do different things with it that we can all do together that are easy, quick, and most importantly, healthy and delicious. Healthy and delicious. Nice. Your turn to cook, Oklahoma.
Yeah. Oh, your turn.
Oklahoma! Woo! So for the first thing, I think we all know it, guacamole. And you might think, guacamole? Like, is that healthy? Actually, it is. So if you think about it, you have your cilantro, you have garlic for antioxidants, you have fresh lime juice with vitamin C, which is delicious, and all the healthy fats of avocado. So maybe when you're at the Mexican restaurant now, you don't feel so bad about the guacamole. So we're gonna start. This is super easy. Just cut, boom, straight down the center, split it. I like to use my knife, the heel of it, pop it, turn it, done. Do you guys know you can save the pits and try to grow your own avocados?
Oh.
So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna scoop it out nice and easy. One. If you want to make it easier, so you don't have to do it as much, just go ahead and get a couple little slices. You've probably seen all different ways of doing it, but since we're gonna mash this up, I like mine kind of chunky. So I do it I leave it whole, and then I can control how I want it through the process. Rin, what's your favorite way to eat avocado?
I just like scooping it out in like a little bowl, and I like to eat a little at a time, and I really like it though.
Yeah, what about you, Bill? What's your favorite way to eat avocado?
My favorite way to eat avocado is when you scoop it out of the skin, then you put it on a plate, and then I just smash it in my mouth.
You just smash it in your mouth?
I love it.
That's awesome that you guys like to eat it raw.
I have a question.
Really? Yeah, shoot.
Yeah, so you know how we're gonna put the avocados on bread?
Mm-hmm.
So I was wondering, is bread healthy?
Some bread is healthy, that's correct. So grains are good for you. It's the processed grains that we want to try to stay away from.
Yeah, like the bread that we have?
No, this is the good bread. What you guys probably are thinking about is like white bread. You kind of want to stay away from white bread.
Is avocado a vegetable or a fruit?
Well, what do you think?
Vegetable.
What do you think? Avocado, fruit or vegetable?
Vegetable.
Avocado is a fruit. You know what the big difference between the two is? Does it have seeds? So avocado has one big seed and it grows out of a tree.
How did I not think of that?
All right, so we're gonna put our lime in there, and then we're gonna take our garlic. So as before, that you guys seen in the videos, you can use fresh garlic and chop it up, or you can use processed garlic. Some places it's easy to get fresh, some you can always find processed chopped garlic. But remember, if you're gonna use this stuff, which is totally cool, make sure to use more than you normally would in a recipe for fresh garlic. So we're gonna go ahead and you guys like a lot of garlic, right? Yeah! So we got our garlic in there.
Oh gosh. Nice.
Now we're gonna do a little bit of cilantro.
Oh yay.
We're gonna take our knife. Let your parents use the knife.
Yeah.
And we're just gonna run it through. Don't need to chop it a lot. You wanna know something really cool, guys?
What?
The sharper your knife is, the healthier and fresher your greens will be.
Really?
A rough knife kind of shreds and it breaks up the cell structure inside the plant, or the leaf in this case. A really sharp knife will be smooth right through it. So when you're working at home, use a sharp knife. This may sound counterintuitive, but a sharper knife actually will mean less mistakes and less opportunity to hurt yourself. So we're gonna take our cilantro, we're gonna throw it in there. As I've learned today, your guys' favorite thing, salt. Okay, now, I'm gonna get our toast ready. While I'm getting our toast ready, I need you guys
To smash.
to smash away.
And
just kind of let me show you a quick trick.
I don't want to kill
We're gonna use the back of your spoon and press it down. So they asked about bread earlier. We are gonna use for avocado toast a whole grain, whole wheat bread. Once again, like we talked about, try to stay, I know white bread's great, trust me, it makes the best grilled cheese in the world. But do your best when you're eating it to try to stay away from it. Everything in moderation is okay, but it's something like this. A healthy rustic bread is delicious, and the flavor of the bread will help highlight the flavors of what we're gonna put with it later. All right, how are we doing, guys?
Pretty good.
Do you guys like chips? Who likes chips? Well, I have some chips for you guys right there to try it.
Ooh.
So once again, like everything, these are a blue corn chip. So we're staying away from everything with processed flours and stuff like that as well. And blue corn is actually very Southern in heritage, so I love it.
Can we have one?
Yes, I want you guys to try everything.
All right, let's try. This is so good. Especially I love the avocado part. This, it's healthy and tastes so much better.
Yeah, healthy and great.
So we've made our guacamole. Now we're gonna make avocado toast. It's like
Ooh.
a huge craze all over the place. People love avocado toast. I love avocado toast.
Have you ever tried avocado toast before? I haven't.
No, I've never.
Ooh, exciting. Okay, something new. Ready? So we're just gonna get it. I love color on avocado toast. So this is one of those nice, simple ways to kind of wow your guest, even treat yourself. So we're just gonna cut up some different colored tomatoes for you guys to play with.
This smells all so good together.
Yeah, it does.
Right?
And once this video is over, I know, like once the whole thing is over, I'm just gonna eat it all up. This
Yeah.
is
You're gonna eat all of it?
Yeah, we're gonna eat all of it.
You know what's
Yeah.
super cool? We can eat all this food when it's over and we don't have to feel guilty or bad about anything we just ate. And your parents would probably let you eat as much as you want.
But
Just
you're
stop.
my dad.
That's very true. That's a very good point. I'm your dad. You can eat as much of this as you want. One thing I like to do is I like to have a little bit of crunch, and there's no better, healthier way to get crunch
Is this onion?
than this is, good question, this is a radish. So
Ooh,
what's
I
great
like
about
radish.
super good for you. Who likes having pretty eyes? Guess what radishes help with? They help
Pretty
your
eyes.
eyesight. Pretty eyes, yes, exactly.
Oh, I need better eyesight because sometimes when I
You
get
need better eyesight?
a little bit,
You're 7.
a little bit.
So here's what you guys are gonna do. I'm gonna go, because one thing I love to do, I like to get an added boost of protein in my breakfast, is I love to throw just a good egg onto it. And thank you to Hanson's out in Hitchcock, Oklahoma for hooking us up with some of their delicious farm-raised eggs. Thank you, thank you. Love, for a chef, a really good egg is like the pinnacle. So, while I'm gonna cook the egg, what I want you guys to do is paint your toast.
With what?
So how you start is you just spread some avocado on it and put a lot on there. It's good, you can put as much as you want. And then I think it's fun to take the different colors, so you can put together yellow and red, and you kind of lay them on your avocado, and then you can stick radishes however you want in them. We'll plate it up, and then the winner, I'll add an egg on top. Sound good?
How do we win it?
It's being judged by a chef.
Mm-hmm.
So, I'm gonna cook up an egg real quick to go on top of the winner's avocado toast. Now you notice I'm using non-stick and olive oil. Not only do I like that the olive oil will guarantee that my egg doesn't stick for a sunny side up egg, but it also makes sure that I get a little bit of flavor, and olive oil is obviously healthy and delicious. So we're just gonna crack our egg right in there. And the nice thing about sunny side up, just set it and forget it. All right, girls, how are we doing over here?
Good.
Ooh, Rin, I like it. Kind of avant-garde, spread out.
Yeah, it's like a...
You've built a really nice frame. Is that a happy face?
Yep.
No, look, I made a happy face too. Those are the eyes, nose, and then smile.
This is her hair, and then she has her heart right by her. And also, I'm also going to take this and put this right here, and she's tasting a nice vegetable.
Nice.
I also squirted some tomato juice all around to add a little bit of texture, and it's probably gonna be way better.
I'm spreading
Nice.
some tomato on here because just to make the eyes a little shiny.
Ooh, this is all, you guys are you're having super fun with this. This is perfect. This is what we want to do, is have fun and cook healthy. Our egg is ready,
Who's the winner?
and you know where I think the egg's gonna go, guys?
Where?
I think it's gonna go in Bella's, because you made a beautiful frame all the way around your toast to perfectly place this delicious egg. So, once again, as you can see, quick, easy, you can do it with your kids in the
I'm
morning.
just gonna take that off.
And have a nice,
Can we eat it now?
healthy breakfast. Now, we dive in. Tell me what you think, guys.
That's so hot.
Oh, be careful.
My two front teeth are gone. I can't really eat it. It's really good.
It is true that your two front teeth do help you eat better. I love you. Avocado, egg, and a little crisp radish. Healthy, crisp, rich, and delicious.
Your turn.
It's your turn to cook.
Join us on YouTube and Instagram for this weekly series and let us know how Healthy Oklahoma is helping you achieve a healthier life.
It is your turn to move.
Your turn to cook, Oklahoma.
Healthy Oklahoma is a program of the Oklahoma State Department of Health.
Stay healthy, Oklahoma!